first thing that I need to do is get this down to the frame so that I can get the frame sandblasted and see exactly what I'm dealing with. Then I'll figure out if I'm going to go with powder coating or a more traditional paint. This video is just going to be the teardown process. Most of it's pretty straightforward. Two things that I'm going to do though before I start. One is I'm going to take the oil out of the engine. I actually was able to ride this around a little bit this morning. Something definitely is wrong with the clutch. So since I'll be opening it up, might as well take out the oil while the engine's suspended, and that makes it a little easier. And then I got to take out the fuel, and after that just tear everything apart. I've done it a couple of times now, so it should be a pretty straightforward process. Also interested to peel back this sticker here and see what color was originally on the bike. I'm still trying to figure that out. From the other video there was comments about orange and also blue. Those are the two colors that I'm kind of going between, so interested to see what color it is. And then for the VIN plate here, this one's actually in pretty good shape, so I'm going to try to drill out this existing VIN plate and pull it off carefully so that I can reuse it on the next bike. Alright, I pulled the original sticker off the frame here, and the original color was red. Alright, so that was pretty quick. I now got the bike into the three main parts that I need to get first sandblasted so that I can take a look, make sure there's no big rust problems. And after that, then I need to figure out whether I'm going to go powder coat again or traditional paint. And then once I choose that, also got to figure out what color I'm going to go. Thanks everybody for following this build. Stay tuned for the next video.